Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you this great 16-piece drone accessory kit for the DJI Mini 2, and this is by Hobby Ace. So you get propellers, you get landing gear, and you get these great rubber bands that hold your propellers in. So your DJI drone is well protected. The landing gear works really well. It's very easy to just clip on and then you are good to go. And so this is great for kind of rougher terrain. You also get this great little screwdriver and all of the screws that you need to change your propellers, so you don't need to be finding pieces for this. And these also come with propeller guards. So especially if you're going to be flying your drone indoors, these are great. These work so well for me to prevent bumping into walls and potentially damaging your propellers or your drone. So you can see this just bounces right off the walls with these propeller guards. So all of these pieces work really well and fit the DJI Mini 2 perfectly. I also love that you have so many spare propellers because you often need to change them after using it a lot. And these rubber bands that hold the propellers down just make it really easy to transport the drone without damaging it. So now I can just pack it up easily in my travel case. Overall, this is a really high quality set. So if you're looking to expand your accessories collection for your DJI drone, I highly recommend this one by Hobby Ace. It has worked really well for me. I absolutely love it. It's great quality, but that's just my point of view.